Case study related to the chapter circles. Ramesh was fond of spinning and revolving a ball tied with a rope. While playing, the ball slipped from the rope and hit to his brother Suresh, playing nearby. Suresh threw the ball back to the Ramesh that met an angle of 60 degrees with the path AX. Okay. And the ball followed the path represented by XYZ, which touches the imaginary circumference, the circle. Okay. The Ramesh was spinning a ball. Okay. Now the questions. If the length of the rope used by the Ramesh is 2 meters, then the distance from O to X is. Okay. Now the distance from O to X. This is the figure X. This point is Y and Z. Now we have to find the distance between O and X. The radius of this, the length of the rope is 2 meters, and make this angle between this is 60 degrees. Okay. So now find the length of OX. It means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree means this is the perpendicular, this is the base, and this one is the hypotenuse, because the angle A equal to 90 degree. We can find cos 60 degree equal to OA upon OX. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and OA is 2 meter and OX. Then OX equal to 4 meter. OX equal to 4 meter. The 4 meter, 5, 6 and 8, the right option is 4 meter. Now the question number 2. A path represented by AX is. AX is, path is the AX means the tangent drawn to the circle, axis drawn to the circle, secant drawn to the circle, the chord drawn to the circle. The right option is tangent. Tangent is which touches the circle at one point. This is the tangent drawn to the circle. Now, the length of XY. We have to find the length of XY. We know that the XY equal to AX. The length of two tangents are equal drawn from external point. Therefore, AX equal to XY. In this figure, we have to find AX. AX means sin 60 degree equal to AX upon OX. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 AX by OX is 2. Sorry, 24. OX equal to 4. Now AX equal to 2 cancel 2 root 3 meter. The length of the tangent is 2 root 3 meter. It means AX equal to XY. AX equal to XY. It means 2 root 3 meter. 2 root 3 meter. Okay. Now question number 4. The Suresh and Ramesh are called by their parents to know what happened exactly while playing. Ramesh explained the incident. Suresh also gave his opinion. Finally, it is decided that Suresh will be asked a question and he needs to give the correct answer. Okay. The Suresh father told him to bring a rope that he used while playing. He asked to make a circle using that rope. The radius of the circle so obtained. The question is this: the length of the rope is 2 meter. 2 meter means the circumference of the circle equal to 2 meter. The length of rope is 2 meter. Make a circle of this 2 meter. It means the circumference equal to 2 meter. The formula of circumference is C equal to 2 pi r. The circumference 2. Now 2 pi r. Then radius equal to 1 upon pi. Radius equal to 1 upon pi. The radius equal to 1 upon pi centimeter. Okay. Next. If the length of the sides of container AB, BC, AD are 3 feet, 5 feet and 5 feet respectively, Then the length of the lid represented by CD. Find the length of CD. Okay. This is the figure. AB is 5 feet. AB is 3 feet. BC is 5 feet. And AD is 5 feet. Now find the distance of CD. Take this point P, Q, R and S. We know that the distance from the external point of a tangents are equal. It means AP X, then AS is also X. BP Y, then BQ equal to Y. CQ Z, CR Z. And DS W and DR W. Now the equation is X plus Y equal to 3. The first equation is X plus Y equal to 3. And Y plus Z 5. And Z plus W nahi pata. And X plus W equal to 5. Now add these three equations 1, 2 and 3. Add these three equations, we get 2x, y and 2y plus z plus w equal to 13. 5, 10 plus 3, 13. 2 times x plus y and z plus w is CD equal to 13. X plus y equal to 3. 2 into 3. It means CD equal to 13 minus 6 equal to 7. 7 feet. CD equal to 7. The right option is 7 feet. Okay. Thank you. This is a case study related to the chapter circle.